This is WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app or install it if you do not have the app on your phone, of course. Then once the Google Drive app gets loaded, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list, and allow Google Drive to have the camera access. Now, once the camera interface gets launched, use it to take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. So let me quickly do that myself. If you're satisfied with the picture, you can proceed or continue. If not, retake the photo. The following interface allows you to edit your scan. You can change its color, rotate it 90 degrees at a time, or frame the part of the original photo you would like to result or end up in the PDF file. So automatically mine was cropped, not the best. So I'll manually reframe it the way I want it to have. I want it the way I want to have it. Then hit the save button. You can rename the file if you want to. Then hit the save option one last time. Wait for your scan to be uploaded to Google Drive. And here is the result. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.